How to make a fashionable design and stay on budget. In brief, you don't have to cover the entire room with designer wallpaper and buy expensive lighting fixtures. But furniture and sanitary porcelain must be of high quality. Watch the video for details. If you're inspired by the ideas for interior from the video, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. Tip 1. DIY design, save on finishing and lighting. Have you ever seen millions worth interiors that look uncomfortable? On the contrary, sometimes even with a small investment, you can create a fashionable space where both furniture and finishing are in perfect harmony. If you are on a budget, you can save on finishing and lighting. The main thing is to use imagination. Here are a few ideas on how you can do it. Option 1. You can do industrial-style lighting fixtures that resemble a large incandescent lamp yourself. They are easy to make, and sockets, cords and wires will be cheaper but look no less attractive. Option 2. You don't have to buy a new chandelier. If the old one matches the interior in shape and style, you can transform it. Clean the frame, paint it, replace the casing with modern ones if necessary, and you will get a one-of-a-kind designer object. Option 3. Wallpaper with bold graphic prints looks stylish, but it usually costs times as much as monochrome. If you cover a small part of the wall with them, you'll get an eye-catching design at minimal cost. However, you should choose wallpaper with a plain, large pattern consisting of straight lines. It will easily fit into the interior and look well with almost any furniture. Tip 2. What you should not save on. On plumbing equipment and faucets. You buy these things for several years and they are difficult to replace and repair. That's why quality is the priority here. You can't deny that $50 saved are worth a constantly leaking faucet in the kitchen. An uncommon structure in the kitchen or bathroom consisting of copper pipes and garden faucets is not cheap, but looks more interesting than standard faucets. You should have it done to order, but first ask whether it is possible to install it. You shouldn't save on furniture either. Tables, chairs and cabinets made of natural materials are very expensive, but it doesn't mean that there are no options other than cheap, ugly furniture. If you look hard enough, you can find high-quality items to suit any pocket. When choosing furniture, pay attention to the shape. If it's nice, then you can transform a rack, a cabinet or table by repainting them. And self-adhesive film will help you make a marble tabletop imitation. Tip 3. Don't risk. A sofa with bright upholstery or covers with geometric prints can become a central element of the interior, or may not fit in the overall design at all. If you aren't sure that you can arrange it to the advantage, don't rush to buy it. Maybe thus you'll save money. If you still want something bright, start with a chair. This is a useful thing anyway, and you can always hide the upholstery under a throw blanket if something goes wrong. Or you can put a couple of cushions in restrained colored covers on the seat. Thank you for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Have a cozy home and embrace the changes.